Constructive. Constructive conflict is a rich, complex experience that stimulates creative thinking, involves our interests and goals, and challenge us to grow. We must raise our children to distrust rigid explanation and ask why or why not. Among our most common mistakes, we tell our children that they must sit still and pretend to be interested even when they are not, that they must get good grades if they are going to be successful in life, and that if they don't have anything nice to say, they should not say anything at all. Nonsense. There are mountains of evidence showing these old rules are not true, encouraging a more curious and independent spirit in ourselves and those around us. It is certainly not the way to make life easier, but is the way to keep each of us looking deeper for what matters most and is most true. Seeking the truth, or a true way to face and solve a difficult situation, almost always matters more than preserving harmony. In the long run, this effort toward honesty saves time and energy and livens up everyday life. It helps clarify and streamline efforts. By the way, when I refer to truth, I don't mean the truth. I mean your truth. We all see the world differently. When you search for truth in yourself and others and get ready to express yourself, don't confront, convey. In nearly every situation, avoidance is not good and confrontation is not necessary. The most important thing is to be yourself and be heard. On occasion, we must take risk with our voice and views, even when we are certain to anger others. Time these moments with care. That's because we must also know how to balance speaking up with exceptional listening skills, practicing constraint, and calmness in certain volatile situations to avoid being seen as merely a nuisance.